We will make a large dumpling today, using white bread as a base. You will need white bread, eggs, milk, butter, salt, parsley and nutmeg. Dice white bread. I am using ciabatta bread, but you could use other type of white bread. Place the white bread in an oven dish, and dry it in the oven, at 150 degrees Celsius, for about 10 minutes. The bread should be dry and crispy, but not too brown and toasted. Melt 50 grams of butter. Separate 2 eggs, placing the egg whites and the egg yolks in separate bowls. Whisk the egg yolks with 200 milliliters of milk. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add half of the melted butter. Add the bread. Stir everything, coating the bread pieces in the egg mixture evenly. Leave this to stand for about 5 minutes. Whisk the egg whites. Grate a little bit of nutmeg into the bowl with the bread mixture. Chop a bunch of parsley, and stir it into the bread mixture. And finally, stir in the egg whites, gently. Spread a wet kitchen towel over your working surface, and brush it with the remaining melted butter. Place the bread mixture on top. Form an oval dumpling, and wrap it in the kitchen towel. Twist the kitchen towel on both sides. Make sure that the dumpling is wrapped tightly, and tie both ends with a string. Steam the dumpling for half an hour, turning it over halfway through. You could boil the dumpling in water for half an hour, instead of steaming it. After half an hour, remove the dumpling from the pot, and let it cool slightly. Cut the string, and unwrap the dumpling. Slice the dumpling. You can serve the dumpling with many different types of meat, and different type of sauces.